Hello, Pioneer Patriot students, and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. As you know, we are starting the school year virtually, and we wanted to make sure that every student knows how to access their Google Classrooms and attend their daily classes. So, I'm going to show you one way to get to Google Classroom. There's many different ways to get there, but as you log into your Chromebook, you'll be taken to your Pioneer High School homepage. Just simply open up a new tab, just like I've done here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the right-hand corner to what we call the waffle, or to it's actually called Google Apps. And when you click on that, Google Classroom should be one of your apps that you can click on. And it's going to take you to your classroom, and these are all the classes that you are going to be enrolled in. So it could be something that we have a join code, and that's very simple. You just click on join, and it will take you right into the course when it's available. A couple aspects that I did want to specifically touch in Google Classroom is how do you attend your class meeting. So you know that first period is about to start, and you come into Google Classroom, and to get your Zoom code, you're going to click on this little chevron or this little arrow in the middle of your banner. And now here is your code for your Zoom meeting. You're going to go ahead and highlight it. You're going to right click, and you're going to hit Go To. And this is going to take you directly to Zoom, and it's going to then wait for you to log in to your Zoom meeting. What's going to be different this year than was from last year is you're going to go into a waiting room until your teacher is ready to start the course. Then you're going to click on, or you will click on Allow. He or she will allow the students into the class and for the class session. And I'll be sharing a video and instructions on how to access your Zoom meetings a little later. To access your schoolwork while you're in Google Classroom, you're going to go ahead and click Classwork, and then you should have all the different topics that your teacher has placed into your course for that week, that day, however they might have it set up. And if you have any questions, or if you do not see any of your classes in there that should be on your schedules and areas, please email your counselors or anyone in the administration building. I hope this helps get you ready to take all of your classes, and welcome again to the 2020-21 school year.